Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Uh, I'm Aman Gupta, and today we're going to talk about my positions as of August 14th, 2025. I last made a video a day before yesterday on Tuesday where we saw that I booked some profits and my net unbooked PNL was somewhere around 35,000, and it's been 2 days since then, and currently our outstanding profit remains at 41,000. In these 2 days, if you see, let's see the quick Nifty chart specifically for these 2 days. So if you would see that the market has gone a little bit against our position, wherein like we are on a vision where prices might fall, the market is going in a downtrend. A lot of our positions are where we have sold a far away call option in most of our positions. In some of the positions, we are on a neutral state. But in the last 2 days, we see the market has actually gone up, and still we have made approximately 6,000 profit in the last 2 days, and that is primarily because of the time decay that's happening. Now that's one of the most important things when we are selling options, because even if the market is not going into our favored direction, we can still make profits. The only condition is that the market movement should not be very much. If you see in this case, the market might have risen, but it has not risen by a large extent, and specifically because tomorrow the markets will be closed to Independence Day, and then there's a weekend. So we have 3 good days where there would be no trading happening, and when the markets open on Monday, we would be having 3 days of time decay in favor of us, right? In these 2 days, I have also not taken any position. Like I have not booked any profits, not I have sold any of my positions to cover my losses. We're right exactly at where we were, but let's quickly have a go through and understand why we did not make any changes to our current positions. Nifty, if you see my overall, I'm taking a loss of around 1800. The loss did not went too much. That's why there was no need to panic. We are already at a risk cover because we have sold 24,800 call option, but we have also purchased a 25,000 call option, giving us a little bit of risk cover in this case. So there was no need to like go in a panic state, or maybe uh, sell out our position, and the markets did not go in our favor. Right, in Bank Nifty again, we do not have a risk cover. We have sold a naked call option in 57,000, but the movement was not too much. If you see, the option that we have sold is almost two standard deviations away, giving us enough margin or room to take a risky bet. Similarly, with Dabur, if you remember, we had a 505 put option selling position as well, which gave us around 20,000 loss at one point of time. So we had to exit it, and the 540 call option position is still open. We do not have to touch this position as of now. We have a really good cover for us. If you see, almost 3.5 standard deviations away, we are in a good position. I'm just waiting for this unbooked profit to reach around 15,000. Probably I'll sell it out at point 1, point 2. Uh, that's all. In Davis Lab, we see that the markets have gone against us in the last 2 days. It has risen almost 100 points. But because we have sold a position far away, see almost at two standard deviations. So we're good. We do not have to take any risk cover as of now. Neither we do have to panic about this state. We can wait and watch. Again with the DLF, the markets have gone in favor for us. Like specifically for this stock, it has uh, you know gone down comparatively from the last 2 3 days, and that is what our view was specifically for this sector and this stock, and that's why we raised our position. Like previously we had sold I think 850 or 860 call option, and now then like we squared off that position and sold the 820 call option because we wanted to have some more profits. So that's what we did. We're almost at 50% of our limit. Probably will exit this position when I am at approximately 7,000 or something. Then I just exited. And the same is with Godis property because the sector was going a little bit down. Our view was that these stocks will also go down, and that's what happened. If you see in the last 2 or 3 days, also it has gone in our favor. We have already sold a 2200 call option, approximately more than three standard deviations far away. So that is already giving us a good cover for us. One thing that we could do in this talk is that maybe sell off this position and maybe sell a little closer call option just to increase our profits. But we can see there was no need to make any rash decisions, specifically when we have 3 days of time decay. But I believe that could have been one of a option to look at. Similarly, with HCL Tech, this stock has risen a little bit in the last 2 or 3 sessions. Um, and again, it's almost at the same place where it was approximately 2 days back. Our view on the IT sector is also bearish, so we're going to hold on to this position in terms of uh, the risk cover. We are at 1.5 standard deviations away, not too safe, I would say. We'll have to wait and watch what happens in this one. Probably we would like this stock to fall a little bit to go in our favor, but still, there is no need to rush and make a decision on this one. In JSW Steel, if you see, our view is actually neutral in the sense that it should remain between 990 to 1140. If you see the chart of this, we have a good cover on the call side, but a little less risk cover on the put side. So probably our best case would be that the prices increase a little bit, go somewhere around 160, 1060. If it stays into this range, that would give us good profit. Right now as well, if you see, it is already giving us 16,000 profit. Target is 27, but we can probably exit this position when we are at 20,000 or something. I'm not waiting for this position to go till the mark, because it's a little riskier position because we have sold positions on both sides. Any movement on either side can give us losses. If you see the break even, the percentages are good, especially on the call side. So the put position can be a little tricky, and we'll have to wait and watch. Right, these are the positions. The overall profit, as you can see, it's giving us approximately 41,000. And yeah, we'll see. I will hope to make this profit approximately 70,000 by the end of the month, and let's see how it goes. All right, everyone, I hope you were able to gather information on the market view, my current positions, and what my thinking is behind not taking a trade, or having risk covers, and not having risk cover as well. So yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in future videos where I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about what are the strategies that I use, and how are those strategies in sync with the top traders that they are making like huge profits out of option selling specifically. And we're going to learn those strategies, dive deeper into them, why those strategies work, and why they are making so much money. Okay, all right. Thank you, folks. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for future video updates. And I hope I was able to provide you some value. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.